Ready to unleash your creative potential without emptying your wallet? First, visit the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Here you'll find a range of subscription options. Explore photography, single app, or the all apps plan. Each plan has unique features and price points, so choose the one that fits your needs. Students and educators, take note. Adobe offers substantial discounts for qualified individuals. Check the Adobe website for verification. Instructions will generally need to prove your enrollment at an accredited educational institution. The discounted pricing is a significant benefit. Find information or links related to educational plans on the site. Now, let's discuss bundles. Adobe often offers bundles that incorporate Adobe stock or other services with your Creative Cloud subscription. Bundles can provide better overall value than buying products separately. Look for offers that streamline your workflow. Research before you subscribe. Conduct online searches for ongoing promotions, discount codes, or limited offers. Consider websites that specialize in tech deals for helpful information. Watch for major sales events such as Black Friday and other holiday promotions. Adobe regularly offers best discounts during these times. Sign up for email newsletters to stay informed. Using these tips, you can locate the ideal Adobe Creative Cloud subscription at the most affordable price and create whatever you desire. Don't let the price of creative resources stop you. Start creating now.